What's up, YouTube? Back at it with another video, another real review today. So today we got the 13 Fishing Inception bait casting reel. I believe this one is the 8:1 gear ratio. So this reel is 8 bearings. It's a little low on that bearings, but it's a really good reel. So, and I'll tell y'all why. So first of all, you got the oversized, the knobs, the star drag, the handle. It's a really good jig fishing, big swim bait fishing, anything fishing real heavy over an ounce to, or not over the ounce, over half ounce to an ounce. This is like one of the reels you want. So I either fish this with a heavy action rod or medium heavy. Right now I have this on a loose Mach 2 medium heavy rod, so 7 foot. It's a real good reel. If you are gonna fish heavy cover like lily pads or cattails, or y'all flipping into some type of grass like hydrilla or something, this is gonna be the reel. So it's 18 pounds of max drag, big cork handles. Everything about this, just a good reel, just for fishing heavy lures, fishing heavy cover with 18 pounds of drag. 13 Fishing is known for the max drag and all that, and you go even higher with the drags on 13 Fishing and all that. So the big handle, the cork knobs, it holds about, I think I have 15 or 20 pound flow on this. I fish it with the, I think this is a half ounce jig I have it on right now. I fish it mainly with jigs and big spinner baits, anything in that half ounce range. So it's a good reel. It holds probably about, I don't know, I probably have 120 pounds, 110 pounds of 15-20 pound floor, whatever I have on this. I don't remember off the top of my head, but real good reel. And if y'all gonna fish heavy cover or gotta get those fish out quickly and strong, and you don't have to worry about your drag slipping and everything, this is gonna be it. I fish braided line with this 90% of the time I had it. I just now started using fluoro with it for the type of fishing I'm doing now, but it's a good reel. Hope y'all like this and check it out. So, and I had this reel for a little while now, probably a couple years now. Caught plenty of fish on it, hold it up well. I mean, you see I dropped it quite a few times. I mean, it's been good. I think y'all gonna like this if y'all interested. I think it's around $200 mark, if I remember correctly, or 150, somewhere around there. And I think y'all gonna like this reel. So one more look. That's the rod. So hope y'all enjoy. Leave a comment on what y'all think, what kind of video I should do next, and like, subscribe. See y'all in the next video.